Well, we rode over to the new bar that Dauber's building. Should be open this weekend.
We got great events planned. Our opening night, we've got Gary and Terry playing over here on Saturday night. And we tried to bring a little bit of Terlingua up to Glen Rose. This is Diane. It's her gift shop, and we both are very excited about what's going on this side.
What would the Lonesome Dove Tequila bar be without hats and shirts?
Writing Texan here. Join us as we run over to the Lonesome Dove Tequila bar. Gary Anderson and myself is going to be playing there this coming Saturday, and we hope to see y'all come out. The songs in this video is going to be some of our original music.
Loving's got me all turned around now. Thinking maybe why don't we just spend some time by the creek late tonight, catching bullfrogs under pale moonlight. And now thinking maybe why don't we just spend the night by the creek watching stars fall running through the night, baby, dancing our clothes off. Hold me close and girl, I'll hold you tight. Be dancing in the rain all night long, girl, it would be insane. And loving and laughing, girl, it'd be alright in the pale moonlight. Daddy said, boy, you ain't no good. They tried to keep us apart as much as they could, but we stole his keys and drove that truck through the night. We found a spot not too far from here with real tall trees and some ice cold beer, and we made love right on through the night. By the creek, watching the stars fall running through the night, baby, dancing our clothes off. Hold me close and girl, I'll hold you tight. And be dancing in the rain all night long, girl, it would be insane. And loving and laughing, girl, it'd be alright in the pale moonlight. By the creek, watching stars fall running through the night, baby, dancing our clothes off. Hold me close and girl, I'll hold you tight. Be dancing in the rain all night long, girl, it would be insane. And loving and laughing, girl, it'd be alright in a pale moonlight.
Well, I'm pleasantly surprised with the helmet, or that one. I got just that top vent. I can feel the air just moving across the top of my head. Well, we rode over to the new bar that Dauber's building. Should be open this weekend. Should go be playing 7 to 10 on Saturday night with me and Gary Anderson providing the live music. Hopefully he's got everything finished. Got a big deck out here. So tell us a little about your dream you got going here, Dauber.
Well, as everybody knows, I checked everything in at Blackie's a year ago, and as everyone probably also knows, I can't stand it. I've got to be in this. I got to be in this business. So we're doing a place called Lonesome Dove Tequila Factory, and Hat Creek Antiques and Gifts in this building, and it's on the same property as the Big Deal Antique Mall is in Glen Rose, or technically Rainbow. We're right on the city limits.
Right.
And so we're going to try to bring something new to all my customers and friends and new friends I'm going to make. We're going to be doing live entertainment. We're standing on the bandstand right now, and we have a deck seating out here for about 60 to 70 people. We're going to have food trucks. We've got 2 great food trucks that are going to be permanently located out here. We're going to do lunch and dinner. We've got the Mamma Mia's food truck, and we also have a truck a lot of people will be familiar with called the Local. And Linda and Trish are well known in Granbury. They had a restaurant, and it's all comfort food. Meatloaf sandwiches, open-faced roast beef sandwiches. They're doing chili, big salads. So you can come out here in the afternoons or at lunchtime, get a really good lunch. The other thing that kind of inspired me to do this, Diane and I took a trip to Terlingua last August.
Oh, yeah?
And what a great place that is down there. And we tried to bring a little bit of Terlingua up to Glen Rose.
Oh, cool.
And so you can kind of see by what we've done that it kind of has that look and that feel. And so it's entirely different than what I did at Blackie's. New theme, new life, new beginning.
Cool.
So you come in the front door, immediately you look to your right and you'll see our gift shop. This is Hat Creek Antiques and Gifts, and I'm going to let Diane take over in a minute and let her tell you all about her creation here. On the left over here is the entrance to Lonesome Dove.
Little crew wants to know, is it biker friendly?
Yes, it's biker friendly, and even one more step, it's pet friendly. We are excited about having the bikers. We've got plenty of parking. The beauty part about this is all the bikers coming from Dallas-Fort Worth, they take a left to get into our place. Mm-hmm. They don't have to get back on and cross 67 to keep on going. There's an exit behind our building, that there's a service road back there that feeds back into the light down at 67 and 144.
Yeah, that's the way we came in.
Yeah, and if you continue on that road, it leads right into the 3Bs. So, I mean, both places are accessible without getting on 67. So we're trying to make this not only biker friendly, but biker safe. And we encourage all the bikers. As you know, we had a big following in Walnut with Blackie's, and we want to continue that tradition. I've got a lot of biker friends, and hopefully make some new ones. And so spread the word, let everybody know that they can get lunch here. And it's not just a bar. So
I'll be looking forward to coming and having a cold beer and sandwich.
Yes, for sure. Let's walk back this way. I'm going to turn you over to Diane. This is Diane. It's her gift shop, and we both are very excited about what's going on this side.
Hi, I'm Diane Markin, and I have this exciting new area and feel very fortunate that this is called now the Mad Hatter Antique and Gift Shop. And I'd love to give you a tour.
Okay.
We're going to try to accommodate lots of likes and dislikes. And of course, what would the Lonesome Dove Tequila Bar be without hats and shirts? So obviously we are going to carry some. And of course, we're going to touch on like men's jewelry. We're going to have items for people that are traveling through on their bikes that do not have the opportunity to take something large, but they can still partake with wonderful Texas items. Us women, when we're traveling, sometimes we don't have room for a big item, so we're going to buy a bracelet, earrings, etc. Right now, this is kind of a work in progress as I'm still setting up for the upcoming week. Okay, and up through here, here's a great little bench too. That would look really cute on someone's patio. But like I said, we're going to try to keep a wide variety. We've got a little home decor, little kitchen-y things, and just, like I said, a wide variety of merchandise. So for all of you that are looking at this, again, my name is Diane. Feel free to call me, visit with me, and I'm sure open to ideas and suggestions.
Well, I picked her up on the outside of town, and we drove all night till we try and figure it out. But how can two poor kids be so broken down? Well, lessons learned, a hard way coming now. So we pulled into a truck stop running on fuel, and I had no cash in my pocket, so I guess I lose. Well, she handed me a 45, said we'll get it done. Yeah, just two poor kids and a loaded gun. Like the new day, Bonnie and Clyde, flying fast down the interstate. And the bullets I fly from the red and blues gotta get away. Yeah, I'm checking the paper in the morning, see our faces on the front page. Just two poor kids trying to get away. Ourselves in a little broke downtown, and we made our stand until sun went down. But when they ran out of bullets, we came out raising hell. Well, one last look at the world we know so well, like the new day, Bonnie and Clyde, flying fast down the interstate. And the bullets I fly from the red and blues gotta get away. Yeah, I'm checking the paper in the morning, see our faces on the front page. Just two poor kids trying to get away.
Hope y'all enjoyed that little ride along over to the new bar my wife's gonna be working at. He said the soft opening was Thursday, Friday, and Gary Anderson and myself will be playing there Saturday evening. If you're at a local, come on out, man. It's gonna be a good time. Until next time, riding Texan here, keep the shiny side up.